Advanced shading. Take your drawings to the next level. Master light, shadow, and contrast to create deeply realistic, lifelike drawings. Before you shade, remember to observe real life, use a full range of graphite pencils, build your layers gradually, blend smoothly, and practice patience. First, portrait shading. Focus on creating smooth tones, subtle skin textures, and soft transitions. Move from a base layer to midtones, lay in the shadows, add clean highlights, and finish with final rendering. Key points: understand the planes of the face, keep your highlights crisp, and use soft pencils like B's for shadows and harder pencils like H's for fine details. Second, hair texture. Capture the natural flow, direction, and individual strands. Start with a base, block in the values, add individual strands, deepen the shadows, and finish the details. Key points: always follow the growth direction, group hair into chunky strands instead of drawing every single individual hair, and pack in contrast for realistic depth. Third, metal reflection. Metal is all about intense contrast and sharp values. Move from the base shape through adding values and crisp reflections to fine details and final rendering. Key points: look for bright, stark highlights directly next to deep, dark reflections, and observe how surrounding objects show up on the reflective metallic surface. Fourth, glass reflection. Master transparency, refraction, and reflected light by mapping out the outline, adding values, placing reflections, detailing, and rendering. Key points: remember that glass shows what is sitting. Still life, see, understand, and draw beautifully. Learn to draw everyday objects with realism, light, shadow, and balanced composition. Before you set up your subject, remember to observe carefully, compare shapes, look for light and shadow, work from general to detail, and practice regularly. First, the fruit ball. Master round forms, textures, and natural grouping by starting with basic shapes, adding the fruits, layering in details, and finishing your final drawing. Key points: remember that fruits are mostly round or oval, overlap objects to create realistic depth, and observe different textures. Second, a vase and flowers. Observe delicate forms and fine details through basic shapes. Adding the flowers, refining details, and completing the sketch. Key points: flowers have a natural flow and direction, leaves and stems vary wildly in shape, and you should use light, gentle shading for delicate petals. Third, kitchen objects. Explore everyday items with different shapes and surfaces by sketching basic shapes, adding the objects, refining details, and completing the final drawing. Key points: break complex objects into simple geometric shapes, show the specific material with your shading, and pay close attention to handles, spouts, and edges. Fourth, glass and bottles. Capture transparency, sharp reflections, and bright highlights. Sketch your basic shapes, add the details, add the shadows, and finish the drawing. Key points: remember that glass shows what's right behind it, add crisp highlights for shine, and use accurate reflections and cast shadows to make it truly realistic. Fifth, water reflection. Capture movement, ripples, and liquid surfaces. Start with calm water lines, add ripples, layer in reflections, push the contrast, and complete the rendering. Key points: water mirrors the sky and surroundings, so use smooth horizontal strokes for calm water and add punchy contrast to give the ripples depth. And sixth, hyperrealistic pencil rendering. This requires absolute patience, precision, and perfection. Move meticulously from a light sketch to base tones, details, microfine details, and the final drawing. Key points: build your layers incredibly slowly, use razor-sharp pencils for fine textures, blend with care, and take frequent breaks to return to your paper with fresh eyes. For your advanced practice, study real textured objects daily, Experiment with drawing different materials, practice push and pull value contrast, and challenge yourself to be as realistic as possible. Great drawings are not just made, they are observed, understood, and practiced. The more you push your values, the more life you will bring to your art.